Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the not enough memory error in Adobe Illustrator. So if you are not getting the error, if you are getting the error that says you don't have enough memory, then what you need to do to fix this is click on the edit in the top navigation, click on preferences, and then select plugins and search disks. Now underneath scratch disk, we want to make sure the secondary matches the primary disk. So because my primary is the C drive, I am going to change the secondary to the C drive as well. But if you for example, your primary is D drive, then you want to make sure the secondary is also the D drive. So now we can press OK to save these changes, and you will need to restart Adobe Illustrator in order of these changes to take effect once you have restarted the application. Once you have restarted the application, you can check to see if that solved your issue. If that's still not working, you can come back over to edit in the top navigation, click on preferences and select general. Now click on reset preferences and then go and press OK, and once again you will need to restart Adobe Illustrator, and that should have now solved your memory issue. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.